The School of English in Pushkino _ the thought of the day. Here are some notes of the day. Life over 65, how is it going? I have my own style and I'm not going to give any recipes to others. There's nothing special in the way I live, I am trying to lead a humble style. On the other hand, I think there are very few people who would like to follow my pattern. And why should anybody follow? To follow something you have to have a strong belief that it is right. I am far away from the thought that what I do and how I do it is a correct way and an example for somebody to follow. So, here's my routine of the day. Morning exercises. Morning classes of English, I teach at a school of English. Work on the computer at home. Lunch and a nap. Cycling to the river and swimming, if the weather is fine, or some kind of strolling around the town in green area, if it's a bad weather. Supper and work on the computer again. So it is pretty boring routine. Physical exercises are important and I really struggle to do some starches and squats and others, but it helps much to survive. I wouldn't say that I have a special diet, but my ratio consists of different ingredients and I cannot describe it as it is too personal. How to survive, how to overcome the madness and stress of today's world, how to remain active as long as it's possible. And by the way, those are not new questions. And there are no possible solutions for everyone. There is no unique protection, no unique advice to be safe and successful. And the phrase "you can do it" looks optimistic, although it's not 100% sincere, but you have to try something and to find something for yourself, because there are a lot of advisors, but only you can make a decision which could be a right one or a wrong one, but at least you tried. Enjoy life. Alexander Mayeroff. August 7, 2024.